स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। नेम द लार्जेस्ट बोन इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, राइट आंसर इज फीमर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, नेम द स्मॉलेस्ट मसल इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, राइट आंसर इज स्टैपिटस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज द सेमी सर्कुलर एरिया ऑफ नेल कॉल्ड, राइट आंसर इज लूनुला। Question number 4, name the largest endocrine gland in body, right answer is thyroid gland. Question number 5, name the largest vein in body, right answer is inferior vena cava. Question number 6, why blood do not clot inside the blood vessel, right answer is presence of heparin. Question number 7, name the smallest bone in human body, right answer is stapes. Question number 8, in human body which organs has maximum power of regeneration, right answer is liver. Question number 19, which component of blood is responsible for clotting, right answer is platelets. Question number 10, name the smallest endocrine gland in human body, right answer is pituitary gland. Question number 11, what is the total number of bones in human body, right answer is 206. Question number 12, what is the number of chromosomes in human cell, right answer is 46 or 23 pairs. Question number 13, which is the largest part of brain, right answer is cerebrum. Question number 14, what is the average length of human intestine, right answer is 7 meter. Question number 15, what is the average length of large intestine, right answer is 1.5 meter. Question number 16, which test helps in diagnosis of cancer, right answer is biopsy. Question number 17, color of eye depends upon pigment present in, right answer is iris. Question number 18, name the largest white blood capsule, right answer is monocyte. Question number 19, our bones and teeth are made up of which element, right answer is tricalcium phosphate. Question number 20, transport of oxygen in human body by, right answer is blood. Question number 21, what is the lifespan of RBC, right answer is 120 days. Question number 22, failure of which gland results in diabetes in human body, right answer is pancreas. Question number 23, at very high altitude the RBC in human body will, right answer is increase in number. Question number 24, blood is red in color due to presence of, right answer is hemoglobin. Question number 25, in human universal donor has the blood group of, right answer is O. Question number 26, universal recipient has the blood group of, right answer is AB. Question number 27, bones are connected by which tissue, right answer is ligaments. Question number 28, myopia and hypermetropia disease is connected with, right answer is eyes. Question number 29, which instrument is used to measure blood pressure, right answer is sphygmomanometer. Question number 30, in human body where is tibia found, right answer is leg. Question number 31, which bone is called emergency hormone in human body, right answer is adrenaline gland. Question 32, name the most commonly broken bone in human body, right answer is clavicle or collarbone. Question number 33, image form on which part of eye, right answer is retina. Question 34, in human body dialysis is used for failure of which organ, right answer is kidney. Question number 35, what is the main constituent of hemoglobin, right answer is iron. Question number 36, in human eye the least distance of distant vision is, right answer is 25 centimeter. Question number 37, which isotope of cobalt is used in detection of cancer, right answer is cobalt.
पूजा करते हो विश्वास करना सीखो, विश्वास करना सीखो, विश्वास करना सीखो। बोलने से पहले सुनना सीखो, सुनना सीखो, सुनना सीखो। लिखने से पहले समझना सीखो, समझना सीखो, समझना सीखो। खर्च करने से पहले कमाना सीखो, कमाना सीखो, कमाना सीखो। हार मानने से पहले कोशिश करना सीखो, कोशिश करना सीखो। रिश्ते बनाने से पहले निभाना सीखो, निभाना सीखो, निभाना सीखो। मरने से पहले खुलकर जीना सीखो, खुलकर जीना सीखो, जीना सीखो। और रोने से पहले किसी को हंसाना सीखो, हंसाना सीखो।
ना मेरा जी सज्जना देवे ना जवाब वे तू मेरी कॉल दा